shade the solution set for x minus 2y is greater than 3 in the xy plane. So here we have the xy plane. First object is to draw the boundary line, and the boundary line is represented by x minus 2y equals 3. The boundary line will be dashed because the inequality does not have an equality part of it. So the one way we could graph this would be to find the intercepts. If we want the x-intercept, we set y equal to 0. 2 times 0 is 0, so we get an x-intercept, x equals 3. That would be on the graph right here. Then we want to find the y-intercept. To do that, we set x equal to 0, so that's just a 0 minus 2y. In other words, minus 2y is equal to 3. Divide both sides by negative 2, and we get y equals negative 3/2. So that's the y-intercept, and it would be right here at negative 1.5 or negative 3/2. Now we draw our boundary line as a dashed line. And now we want to know, we have the plane divided into 2 half planes, the one on this side and the one on this side. One way to determine which side to shade is to pick a test point. A good test point to choose is the origin if possible. In this case it is, so we now substitute 0 for x and 0 for y. So let me do that right up here. 0 minus 2 times 0 greater than 3, 0 greater than 3, and of course that is false. Since it's false and 0, 0 is on this side, we know that the solution is all of the values on the opposite side of 0, 0. So we shade in that half plane.